Hey guys, so today I filmed the makeup look. It's kind of like outdated for the season because it's about to be spring and I did this like super warm fall kind of look, but it's fine. I used the Morphe 3503 Fierce by Nature palette. I filmed another video with this, but I wanted to film another one, so yeah, that's what I did. Tried a few new products, so if you want to see how I got here, then keep on watching. Okay, so I already filled in my brows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and my cat is like sleeping right there. I already filled my brows in and carved them out with concealer. So we're just gonna go in with the palette. I've done a video with this before, but I was like just going through my drawers the other day and I saw it again, so I wanted to do another look. So yeah, we're just gonna start. I'm gonna take the ColourPop E2 brush and the shade Ferocious. It's right here next to the green. And we're just going to add this in the crease. Okay, and to help blend that out, we're going to take the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH34 brush and the shade Consume. It's like the second page and, oh my god, the second color in the palette. And we're just going to blend that on the top to blend the edges out. Then we're going to take the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH35, so it's a little bit flatter, and the shade Ball of Fire. It's just like vibrant orange here. And we're going to add this to our crease, but like a little bit lower. And then we're going to go back in with that Ferocious shade and just blend the edges. Then we're going to take the Morphe M456 brush and the shade Ignition right here. And we're going to add that to the outer and inner corners because we're going to do a halo eye. And we're going to add a little bit to the crease to connect the outer and inner corner. And then I'm going to go back in with that brush we used with Ball of Fire and just blend those edges so it's not as harsh. Then I'm going to take the Morphe M431 little pencil brush and the shade Hypnotic right here. And we're just going to deepen up that outer and inner corner. And I'm just going to go back in with that brush that we used with Ignition and just blend that out. And then with our finger, we're going to take the shade Mesmerize, I'm pretty sure it's called. It's this like shimmery color. And we're going to add that to the center of our lid. Take that brush that we used with Ignition and just blend those edges a little bit because I don't want it harsh. And then I'm going to take the shade Embers right here. It's lighter than the other shimmer we use. It's a little bit brighter, and add that just to this very center to brighten it up a little bit. The NYX Epic Ink liner in the shade Black. It's just a liquid liner. I have like shimmer all over me. Okay. I'm going to take this and just create a wing. So that's what the wing looks like. Also, excuse these like few breakouts I have. I don't really know what it's from. So my wings are completely uneven. And that's just really unfortunate for me. Well, my wings are really bad today. And I think I've just come to the conclusion that they're gonna stay that way because I don't have the patience. So I just cleaned that up a little bit. So hopefully that kind of helped. ColourPop Baby Got Peach palette. And I'm gonna take this shade Hungry Ghost right here. And I'm going to press that in the center. And then I'm just gonna go over the liner that got covered. Bought it. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Shine Free and Balance Foundation Stick. And it's in the shade Toffee. Looks like this. And it has like the contour stick and then like a little like lighter centerpiece, I don't know. But I'm going to just apply this. I don't really know how this is gonna go, but I don't know how much is too much either, but we're just gonna go for it, I guess. Okay, so I applied it everywhere and I'm going to blend it out with the BH Cosmetics 128 brush and just gonna blend it in circular motions. Okay, that blends really easy. And then to blend out my nose, I'm gonna take the Morphe E62 brush. We're gonna take concealer. I'm gonna take the CoverGirl one that I use. And we're gonna go under that contour on our chin, Cupid's bow, down the center of the nose, the forehead, and we're gonna go under the eyes. And then we're gonna blend that out with our e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush. Okay, now I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, taking one pump, and then I'm just going to blend this all over my face with my Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH03 brush. And then I'm taking the rest of what's on my hand on my sponge and going over everything. I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Powder. And I'm going to take my e.l.f. blush brush and just set the face with this. So I'm going to go under the eyes. We're not gonna bake today, but because my skin has been a little dry the past 2 days, so we're just gonna like lightly dust this everywhere because I don't want extra powder just sitting everywhere. I'm gonna go back to the eyes. I'm just gonna put some clear brow gel through my brows. This is the Anastasia one. Take that shade Ferocious right here. I think that's what it was called. Yeah. And I'm just gonna run that on my entire lower lash line and try to connect it out here. This Morphe M461, just like brush with nothing on it and try to blend that out a little bit better. That shade Ignition again. And also run that on the lower lash line. Just keeping it a little bit closer to the actual lash line and not really blowing it out as much. I'm just gonna blend that out again. This brush is really cool because it's like really, like it's like kind of like a duo fiber kind of brush. It's really cool. So yes, that's that. I'm gonna add an eyeliner to my lower, like my waterline or whatever. I'm gonna add a green one. It's the NYX Slide On, Glide On, Stay On, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme shine eyeliner. That's funny. It says this eyeliner is so good the name had to be this long, so that's kind of funny. It's in the shade Tropical Green. It looks like this. So we're gonna add this to our waterline for a pop of color. I mean, you can't really tell. It kind of looks like it's just black or like just dark. But in person, you can tell a bit more. So yeah. Now we're gonna do lashes. But I'm gonna first put on mascara. I bought a new mascara today. It's the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. It's new. It's in the shade Blackest Black, and I heard it's really good. So I want to curl my lashes and apply that. So I'll show you what the mascara looks like before I put lashes on. Okay, so that's one coat. You can't really tell because of like the eyeliner and the intense eye makeup we have going on, but it's actually really nice. You might be able to see at this angle. These are also my worst lashes, so let me do it on my better eye. Okay, so you might be able to see it a little bit better, but I'm gonna try it. I'm only gonna do like the one coat, and I'm gonna try it on my lower lashes, obviously, so you'll see that when I do that. But I'll try it when I'm wearing not as much makeup so we can see. But for lashes, I'm going to apply the Ardell Mega Volume. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply these and then I'll be back. Okay, so this is what everything looks like. You can see the lower lashes as well. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna move on to the face again. We're gonna do some bronzer. I'm gonna take the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but I'm gonna take the the Royal and Langnickel Fan brush, and we're gonna kind of contour with the bronzer, just to create a sharp. Okay, so I don't think I'm going to bake like underneath, so I want to try to create as sharp of a line as I can, and fan brushes can do that for you. So yes, I'm going to take the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Risque, and oh my goodness, this Crown blush brush, and just put that everywhere. I'm going to take the CoverGirl True Blend Super Stunner Hyper Glow. Oh my god. No, no, no. Please don't break. 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 It didn't break. Thank God. Oh my god. I was really scared for a minute. Okay. And I'm going to take that on this Scone Blending brush. This is in the shade Pearl Crush. Take the JH42 from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill, adding that to my nose and my inner corner. blend this out. And then I bought 2 new lip products, and I don't know how well they're gonna go, but I just want to try them. This one is the Joa Lip Candy Auto Lip Liner. I already have one of these in the shade Rose, but I bought this one in the shade Blush. So if I can get the plastic off. I hate this plastic stuff. Unless it comes off like super easy and in one like little strip. I hate it otherwise. Like that was not satisfying, but whatever. So this is what the lip liner looks like. I don't know how well it's gonna go with this look, but we're just gonna try it. Okay, well, definitely not the color with this eye look going on, but it is like a pretty color otherwise. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Color Reach Shine lipstick in the shade 900 Fawn. I bought this today. I have another one in the shade Shining Peach, but I bought a new one today because I love these. This is what it looks like, so hopefully it will fix this color a little bit. Okay, that didn't really help with the color situation, so I'm gonna have to go over it with something else. Let's just take the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Praline. It's just gonna completely cover everything up. All right, that's just gonna be it, I think, because I don't know what else to do. So yeah, let's just set the face and be done. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. So that's the look. Super like fall, and it's just like about to be spring. So it's kind of not in season, but you can wear makeup whatever makeup you want, whenever you want. That's the beauty of makeup. So I'm gonna go, and yeah, if you like this, let me know. And I need to like clean this lash glue. Okay, I'm gonna go. Enjoy the rest of your day, whatever day it is. It's Sunday right now, but whenever this is uploaded, enjoy your day, and bye.